So now wetin make we come invite a general health practitioner and family health medicine expert. We say him name na Dr. Adedamola Adeogu. He sit down for inside studio with us. So chook mouth this morning put for inside this matter. How we go take change our lifestyles? Wetin be the thing we supposed to dey do? Eat, drink, exercise. What we go do to make our immune system dey kaja? Dr. Adeogu, good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, I like the color burst for your body this morning.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. All right, Dr. Adeogu, sharply. Is it possible, first of all, say lifestyle go fit help our immune system to dey kajad?
Yes, it's very true. Because our people, as they are, we eat, we don't exercise, we sit in one place, and everything we want to do now for one place. We go send Peking, go buy this, go buy that, or we send people where they work for us to go and do this and that. But the way God designed our body, we say we should eat and exercise. Because as they exercise, they help your heart they pump better. Blood, they circulate properly where it's supposed to go. And you're not just going to be mounting your weight. Your weight no go just they increase for one place as where you sit down since morning. So part of what we should be doing is that for everybody of every age, whether you be Peking or whether you be adult or whether you be man or woman, always try to exercise. You shouldn't just be sitting down and doing the same things over and over again. Little waka where you fit walk 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Sometimes you don't need to carry your car. Sometimes you don't need to take bike. Use your legs. Use the staircase. It's not every time you go to use lift all the time. All those things, then they help us. Because if you get all those kind of things, your heart's go to function well. If you exercise properly, and you know go just get this overweight, where Igbo people they call obesity. And we know say obesity, they cause hypertension, they cause heart disease, they cause some cancers, and they cause people where their cholesterol go high, and if it leads to other problems. So exercise is very important. Okay,
so before I begin ask you how exactly we be say exercise fit use boost immune system, apart from the fact say if you help your heart pump well, make I even ask, what's in the immune system? People we don't talk immune system. For person we don't feel understand now, what's in you go fit tell and say be the meaning of immune system?
Immune system be waiting God don't put for inside our body, we go help us fight infection. Infection dey everywhere. Around us, bacteria dey, virus dey, fungi dey, it's different things which fit cause disease for human body dey everywhere. So when we touch something, we no go use our eyes see those things, but those things when they enter our body, they fit cause disease inside the body. So the immune system is what God don't put inside our body. Say if those things enter by mistake, you no go harm us, you no go kill us, because your body goes fit fight back and defend you, so that it will not knock you down and make you sick. But people where their immune system no too dey strong because of different reasons. It can be because they are not eating the right foods. It can be because they have certain illness we don't destroy the immune system, like HIV.
Okay.
Or if it be because they don't old. People we don't old, we don't reach real elderly age, their immune system no fit be like younger people. And then the little children, so that's why they give them immunization, because small baby where they don't born, he never come in contact with all this infection before. The immunity too not too dey strong. So you can see that with different age, immunity they change. But the important thing is that everybody, whatever age they belong to, they must be eating the right kind of food. Balanced diet is also an important part of immunity. And within the balanced diet, you want to make sure that everything that you eat is going to do well in your body, and it's going to give your body all the nutrients and all the chemical way it needs to work very well.
Yeah, as you don't talk balanced diets now, everything we eat, it will give us all the nutrients. Waiting we sabi na make we chop to their life. You know, say for this part of the country, we dey chop for survival. No be say we dey chop to look am. Waiting concern me, I don't chop my four and waiting they call. I don't chop my ewedu and amala this morning. How I want use know whether I balance. So as I dey talk that one, waiting be the essential things a person supposed to dey look out for a food, for instance, we suppose make sure say that food dey balanced enough to help our immune system.
When they say balanced diet be that kind of food we contain all the nutrients. There are certain things they call nutrients. Those nutrients be all those things where they inside food, where get particular work where then they do for body. There are some, when you eat them, they give you energy. That's the carbohydrates. When you eat them, your body break it down, digest it, you go get energy to do all the things where you want to do. Those are carbohydrates, your gari, your rice, bread, yam. That is carbohydrates. Then you have the protein. The proteins are those ones that will build your body, that will repair your body. If something happens to the body, or maybe there's a damage somewhere, they help to repair those tissues we don't damage. And then they help for growth. So children, for instance, where still they grow, need proteins very well. And the proteins are the egg, the fish, meat, all those beans. They are the rich proteinous foods. that when you give to your children, they grow better and faster.
Okay.
Than when they don't have it. And children that don't have all those things, they are the ones where they get kwashoko, where they get marasmus, where the tummy go big, where the body go slim, and you know, they go they sick all the time. Or if they have injury, for the injury to heal, no problem. In and out of hospital every day. And you know, for children, for their brain too to develop properly, all these balanced diets must be present in their food. So that is how you know all the kinds of food you need. Then fruits, we know they chop fruits for this country. Everybody go just sit down, eat pounded yam, eat A4, take Pepsi, and food don't finish. But fruits get their own benefits where they do for body.
Okay, that one follow for eating go make balance.
Yes, so you must be eating your fruits. Because nobody say your fruits just stay there for just eating sake. There are certain things in the fruits that help you. If you eat, there's something Igbo people call fiber. That fiber is there for inside things like banana, vegetables. If you eat it, they make you go to the toilet easily. No be say you go to open eye before you go toilet. No be say you go to feel pain, or you go say 5 days I never go toilet, or all those things no go happen. So you see, those things are very, very important. Then you also have the vitamins. They are also in these fruits and in the vegetables. So that is why we encourage people. They tell them, may they chop vegetable well, may they chop fruits well, may they drink water. It's also very important, because the way God make our body, 60 to 70% of our body is water. So you see that water is very important. People fit live without eating, but nobody fit live without drinking water. So water is very important. A lot of people, once they are testing, all these drinks they look for. Now all these sugary drinks they look for up and down, but they don't go drink water itself.
So Dr. Adeogu, this morning now we get chef for the house, and the chef this morning he make one correct yam, just boil white yam. Then egg they inside the yam. Then he put protein inside. He put different vegetable, not be one, or rich vegetable. Then they inside the yam. Then he can't put fruit one corner, say we go use the fruit join, even ginger, garlic they inside the yam. I can say all this combination. So how this kind of combination now will help build our immune system? Oh yeah, I want here.
The yam, when you chop them, your body go break them down, it will give you energy. The egg, where you put na protein, it will give you body building properties. You get body building properties where say it go build your body, it go repair your tissues, and make sure that for children they grow well. The vegetables, they are rich in fiber, they get vitamins, they get minerals, all those little things where our body need, we no go let us fall sick. That even if sickness find its way inside, you no go knock us down, you go just be like say you just do like this for the sickness, because the sickness no go fit knock the person down, because the person no go just feel say anything serious happen to him. Even if he dey sick small, he go quickly recover back.
Okay.
Than somebody we know they chop all these things. And these things not be saying not to chop them only one time, not to make them part of our lifestyle. That is why we dey talk lifestyle. Say that is how we go they do every day from time to time. So this food now is a very healthy food.
You mean am?
So I beg me they invite me every day. I come they help you chop this food.
Okay, so as in do I finish, I can't put pineapple for corner with cucumber. Say we could use endam. How you see that one?
Correct.
You mean
Perfect combo.
So Chef Willie now give us correct balanced diet. As if we see the food now, doctor. I see they look at me. See vegetables full inside the egg.
Wow.
Yam they corner, pineapple they corner, everything they there. So now balanced diet you don't chop like this morning.
Correct. Perfect.
I see the way they smile myself.
I can't wait for the show to end so I can go and eat my.
Okay, so Dr. Adeogu, talking about other things that we need to do to ensure, say, our immune system dey kajad. If you don't mention exercises and all that, so which role exercise they play now to make sure, say, it improve our immune system?
You see, when you exercise, not only will you have a healthy body weight, it also helps our mood. You see, when people don't do research, say people when they exercise well, as you just the exercise, not be say you just they sweat or you just they make your heart pump fast. There are certain chemicals where they put into your body. They call them endorphins. They make you feel good. So you feel that you feel lighter. You are able to sleep better. You know, sleep no go be a problem for you. And stress, they lower immunity. People when they get too much stress, maybe walk too much, you know, they sleep, wahala too much, thinking, trouble, everything. Before they know it, if you fall sick, small thing like this go knock them down. Because stress has something it does to the immune system. It will just knock them down. The person will just fall sick. But you can see that exercise, not only does it help you to be healthy, it also helps your mood. So you feel good, you feel better, and your stress level comes down. You know, you reduce stress in your body. So at least with that low stress levels, you are able to sleep well. And when you are getting good sleep, all this disease then go run away from you. Because you go wake up in the morning, you go feel fresh. You go get the energy to start a new day. But when you know they sleep well, 3 o'clock don't wake up. 3 o'clock you don't wake up. You don't enter traffic. You don't go market. You don't go drop your children for school. You don't go your own work. You don't go pick them again. You never chop. You never have time to take care of yourself. All those things, then they tell on our body. Then they tell on
I
our
want
body.
ask you whether it did other part of exercises we do, because it did some exercises where we see sometimes for inside internet. But make I not ask you that kind of question. Make I just leave them. All right. So Dr. Doge, you don't mention this morning. Say first of all, we need to eat balanced diet. Meaning, say we must make sure say all the type of classification of food they inside our food: protein, carbohydrate, all the vitamins and mineral they inside one food. Though they eat. Not be say now some of the food. One food go get all of that. Then we'll take plenty water and we exercise well. All of this go help our immune system today kajad so that we can fight any sickness at all. You mean I'm like that?
Yes.
Thank you.
And we should try as much as possible that everything we dey put for our mouths, no be say we just won't put something for mouth. We know exactly wetin we dey put for mouth. And then all the things we go dey chop may be natural things wey God create, not chemical, not color. Not things that, they don't use preservative and chemical and everything to keep them on the shelf. Those things too, they get some bad things that they do for body. So natural food, now it be the best.
Dr. Diogo, thank you. Be like say we're doing the right part this morning, but it's in that the grace to continue on this right path, because it's easy to start them, but easy to finish the race. Thank you, plenty, Dr. Diogo. Dr. Adedamola Adiogo, now general health practitioner and of course family health physician. We be say the touchlight everything we concern your general and total well body. And as we call on this morning, a race now you pick from hospital, say make it come, enter studio, say make it come follow us put mouth for waiting go help our body kaja. They don't hear them. So as it be say Koro don't come down like this. So you never go now come down. Don't learn to live with them. Make you learn to live better lifestyle. We go help your immune system to fit fight both Koro and any other disease where be say they come. I won't go back to kitchen with Adeo. Go make I go finish my food.